welcome to this new video, which is an application to economics of the derivative. So we have a total sales S in thousands of DVDs of a DVD given by S of x equals 90x squared over x squared plus 50, where x is the number of months since the release of the DVD. So the first question is find S prime of x. So let's start. We have S of x equals 90. I will put the 90 outside of my computation to simplify the differentiation process. So x squared over x squared plus 50. Okay, so S prime of x is obtained using the quotient rule. So it's 90 times. Now, u is x squared, v is x squared plus 50. So it's going to be 2x times x squared plus 50 minus x squared u times the derivative of x squared plus 50, which is 2x, over x squared plus 50 squared, which is equal to 90 times 2x times x squared is 2x cubed, okay, plus 100x minus 2x cubed over x squared plus 50 squared. Okay, now this computation gives 90 times, we can cancel the 2x cubed here, 100x over x squared plus 50 squared. So S prime of x is equal, S prime of x is equal to 9,000 over x over x squared plus 50 squared. Okay. Second question, find S of 10 and S prime of 10 and write a brief interpretation of these results. So let's compute S of 10, which is 90x squared over x squared plus 50 applied to 10. So 9 times 10 squared over 10 squared plus 50. Okay, and you compute this quantity and you will find that it's 60 what? 60 DVDs, since the S represents the number of DVDs sold after X month. Okay, so now let's compute S prime of 10. If you plug in 10 in the expression of S prime of x, you will find that S prime of 10 is 4. I will keep the units for later, okay, because here I'm asked to write an interpretation. Let's interpret first and then we'll put the units. What is S of 10? S of 10 is simply the number of DVDs sold after 10 months. Okay, so this is why the units here is DVDs. Now, what is S prime of 10? S prime of 10 is the change in the sales of the DVDs in the next month. Remember about the marginal analysis. Okay, so it's the number of DVDs sold in the next month, which is the 11th month. Okay, sold in the 11th month. So if we want to write the units here, it's going to be 4 DVDs per month, since it's the number of DVDs sold in the next month. Okay, now let's move to the third question. Third question, it says, use the results from question 2 to estimate the total sales after 11 months. So again, here it's about marginal analysis. Remember, guys, that we have S of 11 minus S of 10 is approximately given by S prime of 10 using the marginal analysis tool. So here, if we want to get an estimate of S of 11, we just write that S of 11 is approximately equal to S of 10 plus the sales in the 11th month, which is S prime of 10. And we can estimate this, so it's 60 plus 4, and we have S of 11 approximately equal to 64 DVDs. Thank you for your attention, guys, and see you in the next videos.